Good morning. Again, I am not sure what's happening with my microphone, so I'm gonna do a little test on my other phone. You will hear the same words spoken, but on the other phone. Gina, can you tell me, I don't know if you can comment or not, but if you can comment, can you tell me if the sound is okay? Good morning, by the way, sorry. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, it seems like the sound is working. That's good. Just have to laugh at all those random tests that life is giving us. We can do it. It's all good. Good morning, Mariella. Good morning, Yani. Can you please confirm that the sound is okay today? I tested it. It seems okay to me, but you never know. I see, Gina. Thank you so much for confirming it from a different way. I'm telling you, all of this is testing us, testing. Hi, Alice. Hi, Yani. Hi, everybody. I learned to laugh at all the life's little tests like this because, this is exactly what practice is about. We'll all, at some point, are facing annoyances. Little, big, huge. Really, we can deal with it. In fact, this is what our meditation today is going to be about. Sort of. This is what every meditation is about. Okay, I should stop rambling, just give you a moment of silence because we really begin to enjoy the wind and the waves. Alright guys, it is time for us to start. Welcome once again. Hello to everybody. Hi Maria. And today we're gonna continue, go back to the exploration of the niyama called SAUCHA, or purity, purification. In the past few days, we have been connecting with the moment in the most pure, unencumbered way through beginner's mind, beginner's heart, and loving kindness practices. And today we'll continue finding even more purity in each moment by grasping the concept, are you ready for it, of leaving yourself alone. Yes, leaving yourself alone. Perhaps the most difficult place to practice purity is actually with ourselves. Let's be honest, how many expectations, how many illusions do we impose? Oops. All right, and the testing continues. Sorry, my phone just dropped. Or fell is the proper English word for it. Let me prop it back. Okay, going back. So let's be honest, how many expectations and illusions do we really impose on ourselves? Quite a bit, right? So what if, instead of striving to become someone lovable, successful, someone this or that, whatever our vision for ourselves is, what if we loved ourselves just the way we are? Instead of managing ourselves, what if we just loosened the reins? This is the big question that each of us has to answer. Can I be pure with myself in each moment? Can I leave myself alone? Being pure with ourselves means we're not afraid of our thoughts, our feelings, circumstances. We don't need to hide anything from ourselves or others. Matthew Sanford is a yoga teacher who created this modality called adaptive yoga. It's for paraplegics. He did it after his car accident in which he was left paralyzed from the waist down. And this is what he says: I'm not afraid of my sadness. My sadness is an incredible gift that allows me to be with people who are suffering without trying to fix them. In this phrase and his life's work in general, Matthew invites us all to simply and fearlessly be with all the pieces of ourselves without trying to fix anything. Being pure with all the pieces increases our staying power with our own suffering, intimacy, joy, boredom, pain, anxiety. Suddenly it becomes safe to be with ourselves just the way we are. And by extension, we immediately become a safe place for others. We become a person who can comfortably and compassionately sit with another without the need to fix them, because we let go of our need to fix ourselves. So let's explore this together. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice today, internal and external. As you take this mindful pause, inhabit it with all your senses. Feel the pure truth of being yourself right here, right now, without any pretense, without trying to fix anything about your posture, about your breath, about the way you think or feel right now. Allow yourself to relax. Your breath, natural, soft, effortless. Your body softening from the inside out. Select the primary anchor for the practice today. And remember, it can be your breath or any sensation in your body that you can easily come back to every time you notice that you've been distracted. And now simply sit with yourself, allowing any thoughts, any feelings, any sensations to come up. And without getting too involved, gently examine your reaction to whatever comes up. Is your first knee-jerk reaction to fix something? For example, chase an unpleasant thought away, or change your position if you're not feeling comfortable. And both of these are fine, by the way, when we change something after a mindful pause, a mindful examination of whether it is really necessary or not. It's the autopilot of fix-it mode that we'll want to work with. As each experience, each distraction, let's call it, arises, stay with it until it passes, or you become at ease with it. And at that moment, return to your primary anchor, whether it's your breath or a particular sensation in your body, until something else pulls you away from it again and again, which is totally normal. This is what meditation is about. These quote-unquote distractions are our opportunity to examine our reactions gently, with open heart and open mind. This is our opportunity to notice how much we actually want to fix that which doesn't really need any fixing, if you simply allow yourself to stay with it for a little bit. Allow it to pass on its own. I'll give you a couple of moments in silence to do just that. What will happen if you allow yourself to believe that you are not broken, and therefore there is nothing to fix. How would that feel? How might this look like in your day-to-day? Reflect on that gently. There is nothing to fix because I am not broken. There is only an endless flow of sensations, thoughts, experiences that easily come and go if I don't get involved in the storyline. I want to complete our practice today with a poem from Dana Folds. It's called I Am Already. One flow of energy and breath connects the full depth and breadth of consciousness. There is nowhere to go but here. No time but now. No why or how or maybe. Just the knowing, simple and complete, that I am already what I thought I had to seek. There is no why or how or maybe, just the knowing, simple and complete, that I am already what I thought I had to seek. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.